What happens when the human mind meets artificial intelligence? In therapy. Welcome to Superpower or Curse. Today we dive deep into the battle, Psychologist versus AI, present and future. Right now, millions of people turn to psychologists for clarity, healing, and emotional strength. But on the other side of the couch, AI is entering the room. Chatbots like Wobot or Wysa are offering 24/7 mental health support. No waiting, no judgment, no small talk. But can an algorithm understand heartbreak? Can it really replace the warmth of a human therapist? In the present, AI helps, but it doesn't heal. In the future, it might. Imagine a therapist who knows your patterns, moods, and triggers better than you do. But here's the question: is that support or surveillance? Progress or programmed empathy? So, what are the 5 reasons why AI in therapy could be a superpower? Superpower: 5 benefits of AI in mental health. 1. 24/7 access. Help anytime, anywhere. 2. No bias. AI doesn't judge or stereotype. 3. Data tracking. Real-time analysis of mood and behavior. 4. Low cost. Scalable, affordable support for millions. 5. Stigma-free. Anonymity encourages people to open up. Curse: 5 risks and limitations of AI in therapy. 1. Lack of human empathy. No true emotional connection. 2. Privacy concerns. Sensitive data may be exploited. 3. Over-reliance. Users may avoid real human help. 4. Limited creativity. AI sticks to scripts and patterns. 5. Ethical gray areas. Who's responsible when AI gives bad advice? AI won't replace human psychologists. So, is AI in therapy a superpower? Or a dangerous curse? Let us know what you think in the comments. Subscribe for more. And remember, not every upgrade is progress, superpower, or curse. But it might change what it means to be one.